Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first corrective actions. Check your network connection and make sure Windows shows the correct date, time, and time zone. Sign in often fails when clocks drift. Once done, open Settings accounts and try signing in. If it fails, switch to a local administrator account now. Make sure you have your recovery email or phone. That lets Microsoft verify your identity quickly, so you can reset credentials or reauthorize this device. Now perform the detailed repair sequence. Create or switch to a local admin account, then open Credential Manager and clear any saved Microsoft credentials. This forces a fresh authentication. If sign in still fails, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to fix corrupted system components that block account services. Once those complete, restart and attempt to re-add your Microsoft account. Doing these repairs first prevents repeated failures and preserves user profiles. Finish by re-establishing the Microsoft account and resolving lingering issues. Add the account in Settings accounts, follow multi-factor prompts, and approve the sign-in with your recovery phone or email. This rebinds the device. If codes or MFA fail, visit your account on another device to update security info first, then retry. If problems persist, sign in with the local admin, backup user data, and remove and recreate the Windows profile. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a separate local admin available in case online verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.